Incremental things. This is Guillem Palau, and it's an update about my channel, Pleasure Learning, and beyond my channel, the entire project of Pleasure Learning. So, the big news is that I'm going to discontinue Patreon. Now you see I have 24 members, only 3 are paying. And in total, I earn $10.44. But keep in mind that the reason I'm going to move from here is that in 2026, one of my goals, is to grow. Since now even if I have been 5 years in Patreon, I'm like in day one stage with $10. I'm going to move. Why? Because you have now platform fees that is 10%. They wipe out 10% of that. Then payment fees, 5%. Depending on the country, it's even more. Then that you pay in a different currency than mine, like dollars, for instance, everything that is not euro. I have to pay the conversion fee, international fee, pam. That means that I get a very big chunk out already. On top of that, at the end of the day, I will withdraw the money to PayPal. So it's absurd. And on top of that, even if it's PayPal, Patreon already prepays the tax for me. Even if it's a low amount that I will not be legally required in my country, it does. And in my country, this is 21%. So, more or less, I get like half of the donations or contributions wipe out. So, if I'm going to grow, let me think twice and let me compare. Then, turns out that I also have coffee, Go-fee, which is meant to be a donation, just a tip. You can follow me for free, like in here there are members that are for free. But now you have the full-fledged experience. You can have memberships. No worries, I'm going to change this. This was done just to try the future. I will have paid memberships. I will have just one-time donation. And it's not just PayPal. You can also pay with a credit card. Unlike PayPal, so unlike if you want to donate directly to just PayPal. So it's a win-win. It's not limited to PayPal. I have donations, subscriptions, and also content they can buy. So I can have a store. That, hey, you want the extras of the course. The auto hotkey scripts, the flashcards, the layouts, templates, all of the convenience you want to get. Boom. Everything is in the same place. Yes, they also take a chunk. Obviously, they don't do it for free. But this is not that much. And I'm not forced to pay taxes until I reach, I think it is 600 a year. Not a month, a year. And spoiler alert, I already told you I never hit 600 a year. Yeah, it's been low. So that's why from now on, I will keep updating this page because I can do posts. So I will keep this frequently. As, for instance, this video that you may see in YouTube. Stuff like this. So not just posts that are text, also content. And lastly, just to preview how I want to monetize this, is that what means to be a member, right? First is that you may get something that was paywalled eventually for free after a while. That could be whatever I have, whatever I do. Then, the only thing that is not covered is the private tutoring. That now, if you click in any video, if you click here, schedule tutoring session, you go to my website, and then to book a session, now you go to the Soki website. Here you go. So then you're going to schedule a session. And it's not limited to Super Memo, by the way. You can go into programs, and there are more. Okay. So whatever is not tutoring, one of the things is the projects. You may have seen Minecraft, Super Memo in action, but I have those. Podcast, some pre-done collections, development, learning how to code with incrementalism and with Super Memo, or other apps, not just Super Memo. More books, fiction, non-fiction, and especially this one that I want to start. I will start next month with this project, and it's the health project. It will be the equivalent of Minecraft, but in the real world. So Minecraft is something that is concrete, closed, and perhaps even deterministic, and this will be the opposite, the real life. Like the final boss of the Super Mario in action. That is like the most chaotic thing you can do, which is real life. So the idea is to have all of these projects going on, and I will share this to my subscribers, to my members, so they can see this ahead of time, and they can perhaps have an influence. Depending on the questions they have or what they ask, I will do this ahead of time instead of later, and so on. So if you are very curious of something, you could get this something a lot sooner, more or less, to simplify. There are more stuff. And sooner or later, I will publish this on my channel, but like this, 17 hours, 7 hours. So it's edited into one, and depending on the money I got, I could put more time on the project and time what I do. Hey, there's a subset, an additive subset, or there's mercy here and there. So what you see in the course, then you could see, hey, now that you know, you have understood this on the course, you can see this in different instances in all of these projects. Hey, in the Minecraft, this is done in this video in this minute, this hour, this minute, bam. Oh, in the health, it's done here, here, and here, These are things. Changing the sorting criteria to something that is not usual. Oh, here. So you can go straight away how I do it. And in the video, I will somewhat explain it, but there's a limitation if you didn't see the previous things. What do you mean by that? Take a Netflix show, like Stranger Things. What's going to happen? If you watch all of the episodes of each season, you will get familiar with the characters, how they develop, the relationships between them, and all of this. So when you are in the fourth season, you will know, oh, why are they crying, or why they take this decision, it's a sacrifice, and so on, because you have known everything else. Same with the projects. If you watch the entire project, everything I have done, then you will realize, hey, this makes sense. Or if I list a card, you will actually have seen in the footage what I have done before. So you become like God. One of the layers is omniscience. And it will make complete sense. And since everything is recorded, you have this power. You could go back, rewatch it, and to have everything that makes sense. Meaning, super memo in action. It's not just the course. I'm telling you how to do it. And some use cases here and there. No. You see the real stuff in the wild while I use those skills or knowledge. This is the sauce. But this will take a lot of time to do. A lot of time to edit. And even more time to actually tag all of this. So imagine when this is done and you finish a section of the course and you can go pinpoint, cherry pick of different projects. Like splitting. And let me see how you split this other book. Or in a section of that book later on. Or later on I discover a con of what I did that, I regret this now. And you could see this directly and so on. Because the videos are 17 hours long. Perhaps what you need is half an hour. But this half an hour will be already cherry picked for you. So you don't have to browse and all of this. So more or less, I want to keep the video short, even though it's long, I know. That's my idea, and that's why I will put memberships. But the memberships, they take something. It's not a donation. Even perhaps most of what they get, it's just temporary. That after half a year or a year, it will become free. And the other one is heavy discounts. Meaning that as long as you're a member, if I release something that is paywalled, you just will pay, I don't know, you will have half the price or even less than half. You will pay like a third of the price. Or some will be included. I will share it with my subscribers that, hey, this is completely for free. Alright. It's paywalled, but for members, it's free already. And I could be negotiating things. It's not closed. This could even mean you could even have super memo licenses for free. Not the last one, but the ones that are still paid, you can get it for free. So, for free, I mean included. So just because you become a member, you already got a super memo key. Not the latest, again, the second latest that is still paid. Something on those margins. So that is everything for the update. Let me know your opinion, especially if you care, especially if you think you want to become a member. And I'm transparent, so I will share everything. I won't do shady stuff to just squeeze more money. I'm glad as much, make you glad much money as I can. No, there will be no minimum period. Anytime you can just cancel a subscription. I think the minimum will be 1 month basically, because if you pay, you already paid for the month, but you can cancel the next month basically. Nice. So I'm excited for this year. That's all for now. See you incrementally.